welcome to my little corner. And today I'm here again with my husband, and this time we are going to try snacks and candy from Spain. Again, this is a subscription box. It's called Universal Yums. This is not sponsored, and I will have the link to their website in the description down below so you can check them out. Okay, there's a lot of stuff in here, so let's just start with whatever's first. So first we have a cocktail de maíz, which is a corn mix. It's a snack mix barbecue flavor. When you go to a bar and you get drinks, they always give you a little plate with these stuff in a plate to eat with the beer or whatever you're drinking, because this stuff makes you thirsty, so it will make you drink more. There's a lot of, or there's little stars. I haven't I had this before. There's little balls, cornets, little stars. Oh, yeah, this is really good.
It's tasty.
Okay, we're off to a good start. Next up, oh, I've never seen this before. Shiki Shin. These are fried potato snack with barbecue. Okay, everything is barbecue flavor. I feel like I've seen this before.
Good too.
This is good too.
Yeah.
I think I ate this before. Yeah.
It's already kind of hard.
Does it taste like potato?
Hard to
Maybe.
say who's better, which is better, because they're both good.
These are snacks that once you start eating, it's hard for you to stop. Okay, next up we have artisan potato chips, and these are Iberian ham flavored. Oh yeah.
That's good too.
Okay, next up we have a very nice looking box of truffles. These are cocoa truffles. Okay, so it comes in a little bag inside of the box. Ooh, these are very, very chocolatey, and it's kind of melted.
Oh, it looks like it's the shape of Hershey's Kisses.
Oh, I have to.
Oh yeah, this is very melted. Oh,
It's very good.
this is good. You got 3 good, and I think it's even better.
Everything so far, it's very good. These have a very intense chocolate flavor.
And yummy.
Oh, so there's this bag. There's this little tube of. It's called La Casitos. Oh, but this one is caramel though. So basically, these are. You also have this here. It's just like those chocolate M&Ms, but you
They come
actually
in a tube.
you have these tubes where
Yeah.
it's just like chocolate M&Ms. And we also have this in Portugal. These tubes with things. The only thing is that usually they're chocolate, but these ones are actually caramel. I'm disappointed because I don't like caramel, but we'll see. Okay, there's still chocolate in it,
Yeah.
but it's coated in caramel.
Yeah.
At first you get the chocolate, and then you get the caramel taste at the end.
The shell outside is like the M&M shell that when you eat it. when you bite
Yeah,
on
these
it,
are
it's like the
supposed to taste like those.
Okay.
I don't like the caramel part. Oh, okay, we have 2 cookies.
Oh.
So,
One for me.
I'm not gonna eat the whole cookie.
Okay, we'll just have it.
We're just gonna take a bite of the same one, so we're
Yeah,
not wasting.
For
Translating, these are olive tarts.
olive parts.
Tarts. Well, it says olive oil cookies in here. Huh. It doesn't taste that great.
I see what kind of taste they're going for.
And what's
It's
that?
okay. It's alright. It's just as alright as this one. Not like those.
I mean, it's a very,
It's
very dry cookie. Okay, before we get to the small stuff, we have another big package. And these are called spicy mangoes. Well, these are gummies. Mango gummies. He doesn't like fruit flavored gummies.
Mango.
I like gummies, but are these actually spicy? It might say spicy on the package, but what it really means is very spicy. Okay, these are squishy and kind of fun to touch. Okay, I'm just gonna take a little bite.
Should I take a bite from that then?
Yeah, let's take a bite.
Oh, man, squishy.
Oh, it's coming.
I just swallowed it. I just get it over with. Because it's squishy. And it's fruity. I don't know. I can taste a little bit of the spiciness, but
I've never heard of spicy gummies.
I don't like
mean,
this so
spicy,
much
yeah.
just because it's the things I don't like. But I like spicy, but not the other two, being squishy and fruity.
I mean, I like the mango taste in the gummies. I just don't like spicy. Okay, and now we have a bunch of, 2 little bags with stuff. So this one is called Maria Biscuits Chocolate. Ducats Luxury Chocolate. Ooh. It looks like a Ferrero. Does it taste like one?
It's different, but it's good. I like it.
Uh-oh, is there caramel in here? It smells like caramel.
I think that tastes it.
I don't like it so much. Do you want it?
Sure.
So these are chocolate with pine nuts. It's super tiny. It's a little tiny square. Oh, it's chewy.
It's like a chewy kind of candy. Oh. Yeah. I don't think.
You don't like it either?
It's alright. I bet the cookie's better.
It's just,
I could probably chew it.
it has a strong taste of nuts. And it's chewy like caramel. This is pistachio cream.
Crema de pistachio.
So this is a pistachio toffee. It looks like a piece of caramel. Why are they doing this to me?
Ready? I'll just eat this one. It's chewy too, just like the other one.
Oh no.
It reminds me of. This one reminds me of this here in America. It's called Nips.
Oh, it's even
Nips.
worse.
Oh man.
It's even worse. Oh, these are like little biscuits, and I remember like my mom loves these. Yeah. I think these are like little soft biscuits. Oh, there's 2 inside, so you don't have
really?
to open it.
Okay. There's 2.
It kind of like just breaks apart. It's very soft. So just take a piece.
Okay. This reminds me of similar.
I don't like it, but I know my mom and my grandma love this stuff.
Yeah, I don't like it either.
These look like chocolate oranges.
How are you gonna mix chocolate with orange?
So it looks cute, like a little orange slice.
Chocolate and orange.
I have no idea what's inside here.
Apparently it's supposed to be orange.
I mean, it's not real orange.
I mean, I can taste the chocolate and then I can taste the orange, and I just have to separate in my brain. I have to separate the two because it just doesn't mix no matter what.
It's like a weird...
It is weird. I can't.
Okay, this is pretty melted. And it looks like a block of caramel. Creamy almond nugget. Oh boy. It's pretty soft.
Oh man, it's all messed up.
It looks nasty. It looks so nasty. I don't want to eat it.
I don't know what to think. I don't know if it's good or bad.
How can you not know?
It just made me confused. It made me confused about life. Like what?
Oh, that's the end of it. There's no more.
That's it. Yeah.
Now we are going to determine and give the awards for this. Okay, so we casted our votes. And there's only one difference in our votes, and that is for our best yum, but we both agree on the other awards. The most unusual snacks for both of us is the orange chocolate thing. The worst yum, we can agree that it's this. There were a lot of bad stuff at the end, but the worst one is the pistachio thing. The runner-up for the best yum, we both agree that is the potato chip snack. And now this is where we disagree. Your favorite yum is what?
Oh, my favorite one is this yummy thing.
So,
Chocolate.
his favorite is the chocolate truffles. And my favorite is the Iberian ham flavored chips. Let's see if there's a clue for the next box.
Where's the clue right here? Oh wait, okay.
No, that's clue to the next month's box. Next month we'll go to 7,000 places, not just one. Don't stress, we promise. It will be lots of fun. Sweet corn, potatoes, it might sound like a bore, but this Pearl of the East has so much in store.
What?
Wait,
I bet you 7,000 places means the 7,000 islands. A country with 7,000 islands. It's probably what they mean.
oh,
So we gotta look for the East. A country with 7,000 islands.
Pearl of the East?
Pearl, like in the sea.
I mean, if we Google Pearl of the East, we probably can figure out what...
Yeah, we probably can. Pearl of the East, yeah.
Wait, how many islands are the Philippines?
1,000.
Oh.
Some.
For next month, we don't know yet. We might do some research about it,
Look it up.
but we don't have much of a clue. So this is it for this video. I really hope you enjoyed watching us try these snacks from Spain. And yeah, I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a like and make sure to subscribe because I will see you next time. Bye bye.